What's going on, everybody? So check this out. This truck originally came in with a number 4 liner that was cracked. Customer wanted to replace just the one liner. You can see the crack going all the way down from up here all the way down there. Okay, that's on the outside and on the inside. Camera's not going to show it that well, but there it is. It's cracked there as well. So we replaced the liner, new seal, all new seals. Okay, told the customer, hey, this is we got another problem going on, and replacing that isn't going to be the problem, or isn't going to be the solution. It's going to be a band-aid. Replaced all the liners on the seals. Did that. Great. Truck ran great. Ran great for about. Préstame tu lámpara, chavo. Okay, guys, and like I said, the truck ran great for about 3 weeks. There's liner number 1. There's number 2, and the leak is coming from the number 3. I don't know if that's going to show it, but take a quick look. There you go. Look at that. Liner number 3. Number 4 was the brand new one, but again, this thing came with all brand new seals. Everything was all freshened up. But that means we've got a bigger problem, guys, and simply replacing one liner and seals isn't going to fix the problem. Now we've got this problem, and we've got to take this motor apart all over again. Now this, I'm not saying this is the cause of it, but if you do a schmelite, that can cause the problem. This can also be caused by injectors, so keep that in mind, guys, when you're doing that. Okay, guys, so I wanted to show you something. Excuse me. Truck came back. This is the one I was showing you guys in a video earlier. Replaced the number 4 liner because that was leaking. I showed you guys in the video that the number 3 liner is leaking. Okay, now is this because of the delete, or is this because of a bad injector? Look at that liner. That liner is cooked. You can see those marks. Look at that. Look at that right there. I'm gonna flip it around and look at that. Okay, so this thing definitely got hot. Look at the number 2, look at the number 4, the 5. Those are all looking pretty good, but now guess what? We got to take this thing apart again, and now we got to figure out, is it because of the injector or is it because of the delete? Just want to show you guys sometimes what you're up against. Anyway, a little food for thought, guys.